2026 Lucid Gravity is one of the most anticipated luxury electric SUVs on the horizon, and for good reason. This isn't just another SUV with a battery, it's a bold step forward for Lucid Motors, a company already known for shaking up the EV world with the Air sedan. With Gravity, Lucid is aiming to combine cutting-edge electric performance with premium SUV practicality, and from what we've seen so far, they might just pull it off. Let's start with the design. The Gravity has a sleek and futuristic look, staying true to Lucid's minimal yet sophisticated design philosophy. The front fascia carries Lucid's signature narrow light bar, with a smooth and aerodynamic front end that blends seamlessly into a sculpted body. The side profile is long, with a gently sloping roofline that helps it stand out from the boxy SUV crowd. Around the back, the LED light strip and clean surfaces give it a high-tech but elegant vibe. This SUV looks expensive, modern, and fast. Just what you'd expect from a brand trying to redefine luxury. Inside, the 2026 Lucid Gravity is all about space, luxury, and advanced tech. One of the biggest advantages of an electric platform is interior space, and Lucid has maximized it. The Gravity offers seating for up to 7 passengers, with 3 rows that are actually usable, not just for kids. Materials inside are top-notch. Real metal, wood, and recycled fabrics are used throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a curved glass display that flows from the driver's side across the center, housing everything from the digital instrument cluster to infotainment and vehicle controls. There's also a retractable center screen below that for additional functions. Lucid's software interface, called Lucid UX, is designed to be intuitive and snappy. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh, and deep integration with the phone and cloud services means everything from navigation to climate control is smarter. The audio system? It's next level. Expect an immersive, studio-quality sound experience thanks to Lucid's Surreal sound system with Dolby Atmos support. Under the skin, the Lucid Gravity is built on a new platform designed specifically for SUVs. Lucid says it will offer multiple powertrain options, including a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup capable of breathtaking performance. We're talking about 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, maybe even quicker in performance trims. Torque is instant handling is sharp thanks to a low center of gravity, and regenerative braking helps with both range and control. Speaking of range, Lucid is aiming for class-leading numbers. Thanks to the company's in-house battery tech and ultra-efficient motors, the Gravity is expected to offer over 440 miles of range on a single charge, depending on configuration. And when you do need to recharge, the Gravity supports ultra-fast DC charging, capable of adding hundreds of miles in just 15 to 20 minutes. That's made possible by Lucid's 900-volt electrical architecture, one of the most advanced in the industry. Practicality is also a big win for the Gravity. With the third row folded, cargo space is massive. Even with all 3 rows up, you get a decent amount of luggage room. The front trunk, or frunk, adds even more usable storage, and Lucid has even optimized it to be low and wide enough to be genuinely useful, unlike some competitors. Lucid has put a lot of thought into the ride quality too. Expect air suspension on higher trims, allowing the Gravity to glide over rough roads while staying composed in the corners. Drive modes will let you tailor the experience, whether you want a relaxed cruise, sporty dynamics, or max efficiency. Safety. Features are top tier. The Gravity is expected to come with Lucid's Dream Drive Pro, a semi-autonomous driving system that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic lane changes, and more. Using a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR, Dream Drive Pro can offer hands-free driving on certain highways and constantly improves through software updates. What really makes the 2026 Lucid Gravity stand out, though, is the attention to detail. Every element seems thoughtfully engineered, from the aerodynamic wheels to the ambient interior lighting to the way the seats adjust in dozens of ways. This is a luxury SUV that feels futuristic but also practical and user-friendly. Price-wise, Lucid hasn't confirmed exact figures yet, but expect the base model to start around $80,000, with higher-end versions easily crossing the $100,000 mark. That puts it in direct competition with other luxury EVs like the Tesla Model X, BMW iX, and Rivian R1S. But with its unique blend of range, power, and luxury, the Gravity could carve out its own niche. Lucid has already proven with the Air sedan that they can compete with, and even beat, Tesla and the German luxury brands when it comes to performance and design. If the Gravity delivers on its promises, it could become the new benchmark for electric SUVs. Production is expected to begin in late 2025, with first deliveries in early 2026. Reservations are already open in select markets, and interest is high.
For families, tech lovers, or anyone who wants a premium EV without compromises, the Lucid Gravity is shaping up to be one of the most exciting vehicles of the year. If you're thinking about making the switch to electric and want something that
combines elegance, space, and cutting-edge performance, keep your eyes on the 2026 Lucid Gravity. This could be the future of luxury mobility.